1242 South Reisner. It looks better. There's a few things that stand out to me. This needs to be painted white. All this junk, this needs to get kind of moved out of here, or at least kind of on the side or behind here, so it's not in the picture. Now, he did a good job of painting this gray. I'd also like this to all be gray here. And then this, paint this all white. Paint this all white. Paint the facing here. Paint these facings white, but paint the top gray. The walkway all the way to the street. And then you might need to either power wash or paint this. If you can cut this tree right here so it actually shows the house, that would be much better too. That would open it up a lot, and then we can get this clutter out of here to take a picture, and it should look pretty darn good. Also clean up the grass a little bit here, kind of like weed whip, and if you can kind of almost like edge right here, and then sweep this stuff off right here. That way it's nice and clean.